Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. was in Cleveland tonight at the City Club. Kennedy discussed efforts by the White House to lower health care costs and make America healthier.
We've got the best chefs in our country making videos telling people how to shop within a budget, a very small budget, and how to cook good food for their families. And that's what we've got to move towards.
Now, outside the club, Kennedy was greeted by a large crowd of protesters expressing opposition to White House policy. News 5's Scott Knoll was there as well to hear what they all had to say.
Outside of the City Club, protesters voicing their feelings about Health and Human Services Secretary Robert Kennedy Jr. coming to Cleveland.
Too many people buy into this garbage, and he gives it credence, and it's scary.
Ramona Baust and her husband, a retired anesthesiologist, among more than 100 people lining Euclid Avenue ahead of Kennedy's speech. Many here worried about what they call the damage done in RFK Jr.'s first 15 months as HHS Secretary, pointing to what people like Tyler Stippert call misaligned priorities.
We are unfortunately somehow now working with fringe movements and things that do not seem to be rooted in science and backed in medical knowledge.
Many attendees at the sold-out speech heckled as they went in. The sheriff's deputy told us the event was not open to the media, but among those in attendance, former Congressman and Cleveland Mayor Dennis Kucinich. He was Kennedy's campaign manager when RFK Jr. ran for president in 2024.
Do you believe in him as head of HHS?
He and I have been friends for 35 years. And, you know, some of my friends are Republicans, some of my friends are Democrats. Me, I'm for my friends.
But do you believe that he's the best man for this job?
I think that there's a number of areas that he has challenged the pharmaceutical companies on. And I think everyone knows that the drug companies cannot be trusted with our health. And so he's somebody that deserves to be listened to.
Gene Groff agrees. The Hudson resident supports Kennedy's efforts to fight obesity in America.
I don't follow all of his policies, but the term "Make America Healthy Again," how could you go against that?
But it's not just the message, but the messenger many here have a problem with, hoping their voices don't just echo through Playhouse Square, but all the way to Washington.
Hopefully maybe somebody will recognize that there's a problem. Maybe if we make him a big enough problem, the man in the White House will get rid of him.
In downtown Cleveland, I'm News 5 investigator Scott Knoll.